friends, and welcome back to Akshata's recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe is a very simple restaurant style gravy, semi-gravy recipe with carrots and cauliflower. Now you can add French beans, potatoes, capsicum, the choice is yours. I'm keeping it very simple. So watch the video till the end because there is a shout out for one of my subscribers. So let's get started with the recipe first. So let's start with today's recipe. Now all ingredients with their measurements will be in the description box below. This is the cauliflower with the leaves. This is some cashew nuts soaked in some warm water. This is some fried onions, some carrot, chopped fine, tomato puree, one green chilli, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now here I have 2 bay leaves, 2 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin and half an inch of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon each of haldi powder, red chilli powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and also 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of ghee and I'm going to fry the cauliflower florets really well and the carrots. We're going to saute this for at least 3 to 4 minutes till they become nice and crispy. Now I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan. Then when the oil is hot, I'm going to add the bay leaves. We're going to add the cumin or the jeera. We're going to add the cinnamon and we're going to add the 2 cardamoms or elaichis. We're going to fry this well as the green chili. So just fry everything well till the green chili gets this nice white coating. Then I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste. Fry the ginger garlic paste well. Now we're going to add the tomato puree. Now the prepping of all of this is at the end of the video for beginners especially. Now I'm going to add all the powder masalas, that is the haldi powder, the coriander powder, the red chilli powder, the Kashmiri chilli powder. Now I'm making a fine paste of the cashew nuts which we have soaked along with the fried onions, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. So this is the paste. Now you're going to add the paste to this mixture. Fry the paste for at least 2 minutes, and now this is the water that I've just put into the mixer jar and used it because we don't want to get miss out on any of the lovely flavors in the masala. Now our veggies are almost done, so you can turn the flame off on the veggies, and I've also sauteed the leaves just for about half a minute. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons more of Kashmiri red chilli powder because I'm not adding any food color. Now some salt to taste and a pinch of sugar. So if you want, you can add food color, but I'll prefer adding Kashmiri red chilli powder. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of crushed kasuri meethi. Mix everything in well. I'm going to add the sauteed veggies. Mix in that well too. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. I leave a recipe of how I make garam masala at home, and 1 teaspoon of cream. This is just cream from the top of the milk. If you have fresh cream at home, you can add that too. Mix everything nicely. Now you're going to add the sauteed cauliflower leaves. Mix everything in well. And now you're just going to cover and cook this on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now after 5 to 7 minutes, you can turn off the heat. Our dish is all ready. All we have to do is just garnish it with some lovely freshly chopped coriander. I hope you try out this recipe, guys. So I've taken some onion and I'm going to squeeze some lemon. So let's do the tasting. So here I have my roti. Guys, it's super delicious. When you go to a restaurant and you order this handi and they give it to you in this small little bowl with some lovely hot rotis. Excuse the noise outside. I stay right on the main junction, so I have traffic all the time, so excuse that, guys. That's why most of my videos I do a voiceover. So, you know, when you go to a restaurant and you're really hungry and you order this handi and they give it to you with lovely steaming hot rotis, some lovely onion slices and some lovely lemon, it tastes exactly like that. So you can have this restaurant feel, you can give your family this restaurant feel at home with this recipe. And simple ingredients, guys, you saw it. You can prep everything in advance and make this. So try out this recipe and let me know how you like it. Bye. And for today's shout out, so today's shout out goes to a very special subscriber of mine, Gracie Pereira. Gracie is, you know, that kind of a subscriber which every YouTuber I think dreams of having, because she supports my channel constantly. I can depend on Gracie. I know that she will always come up with a sweet comment for me, a kind support, kind words, never a harsh word, always good advice about recipes, like, you know, Akshata, you can add this, you can make it this way. And I really appreciate Gracie. You know, even she has a busy life, she has a family to take care of, but she takes the time for me every day for my recipes. Whether I post one recipe or I post 4 recipes, she writes to me on each and every recipe. And if Gracie doesn't write to me, then I'm always saying that something is amiss. So Gracie, if you're watching this, I know you are, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for taking the time to write to me, to leave your kind words and comments. And all I can wish for you is that God blesses you and your lovely family, and that you have a great day today and be happy. And I always look forward to hearing from you and love your kind comments. I look forward to your comments every day. So thanks once again. So friends, with that I'll end today's video. Do write to me and leave your comments in the comment section below. If you don't want to leave your comments in the section below, I leave my email. You can write to me on my email and we can chat there. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you give it a try, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Remember, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon. Lots of love. Akshata.